Hi, today I have an Allen wrench bit set. We do a lot of assembly of products, and we use the Allen wrench a lot. And almost all of them come with Allen wrenches, but we like to use our drill. This set came with metric, and it came with standard, uh, and each one has a hole, and each one says which hole it goes into. Now, it's very difficult to see, but that's my dream. Okay, I like having things put away, and so this has a dream come true for me. It came in this carrying case, and it even came with a couple of extra itsy bitsy ones if you need them. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.